Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Jotform for LinkedIn referral capture, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Jotform website. Log into your Jotform account or create a new one if you don't have an account. Once logged in, click on the Create Form button located on the dashboard. Choose the Start from Scratch option for a blank form. Select the classic form layout for a simple design. Now, you will see the Form Builder interface. From the left sidebar, drag and drop the short text field onto your form. Label this field as your name. Next, drag another short text field and label it as your email. Add a long text field and name it Referral Details. To collect the referral information, consider adding specific questions. Now, to integrate this form with LinkedIn, click on the Settings tab at the top. Select the Integrations option from the left sidebar. In the search bar, type webhooks and select the webhooks integration. Enter your LinkedIn webhook URL. Make sure to enable the integration by toggling the switch. Once you have set up the integration, return to the Form Builder. Click on the Publish tab at the top of the page. Here, you will find the link to your form. Copy this link for sharing on LinkedIn. Also, consider customizing your form's appearance by clicking on the Design tab. Adjust colors, fonts, and layout to match your branding. After customizing, go back to the Publish tab and ensure your form is mobile-friendly. Test your form by sending a referral submission to see if it appears in your Jotform submissions. Once confirmed, share the link on your LinkedIn profile or in messages. Monitor submissions to track referral activity effectively. You are now set to capture LinkedIn referrals with Jotform successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.